Aa yok, ben normal doğum yapmayacağım.
Şu düşündüğün şeye bak, bir de bana iğrenç diyorsun ha.
Ama ne yapayım? Yıpratayım mı kendimi?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, if you really want to understand Turkish people, you can't just study formal grammar. You need to learn the street expressions. The stuff people say every single day. And one of the best shows for this?
Bir kadın bir erkek.
A hilarious Turkish sitcom that's packed with real everyday Turkish. Today we're breaking down E4 expressions that Turkish people use all the time, but you'll never find in a textbook. We'll learn how to say someone is wearing themselves out. The Turkish way to say cut the BS and ask directly. A funny expression for talking nonsense. Plus, cultural phrases that show Turkish humor and warmth. So if you're ready to sound like a real Turkish speaker, hit that like button and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. All right, let's jump right in.
Aa yok, ben normal doğum yapmayacağım.
Şu düşündüğün şeye bak, bir de bana iğrenç diyorsun ha.
Ama ne yapayım? Yıpratayım mı kendimi?
Let's talk about
Kendini yıpratmak.
this literally means to wear yourself out. It means to overexert yourself to an excessive degree. The meaning comes from worn fabric, when something gets old and damaged from too much use. Look at these examples. Example 1. Oh dear, don't WNTR yourself out like that. In Turkish,
Ah canım, kendini bu kadar yıpratma.
example 2. I can't WER myself out this much for this job. In Turkish,
Kendimi bu iş için bu kadar yıpratamam.
and here's the best part, you can hear and use this word very often in everyday conversations. Turkish people say this when they see someone stressing too much over something that's not worth it. So next time you're overworking yourself, remember,
Kendini yıpratma.
don't wear yourself out.
Acaba? Yani biz bu güce sahip miyiz?
Ne diyorsun kızım sen? 60'ı vurmuşum işte. Ne gücünden
Ne
bahsediyorsun
biçim
sen?
sığır mısın? Ne biçim sığır sığır konuşuyorsun?
Göğüslerin pek haberi yok galiba. Onlar pek hissedememiş.
Ne demek o?
Sen demedin mi bana hamile kalınca göğüslerin 2 katına çıkacak diye?
Anne, sığır sığır konuşuyorsun ya.
Okay, this one is hilarious.
Sığır sığır konuşmak.
This means to talk foolishly. If someone is trying to make a pointless joke, but doing so and is trying to make a pointless joke, but doing so in a way that's completely unrelated to the topic being discussed. That's
Sığır sığır konuşmak.
it's a form of street slang. Instead, we can also say,
Aptal aptal konuşma.
stop talking nonsense, or
Salak salak konuşma.
stop talking rubbish. Check out this example. Person X asks, if we have 5 fingers on one hand, why do we have 5 fingers on the other hand? What kind of question is that? Person Y says, this is no time for silly talk. Fool! In Turkish,
Aptal aptal konuşma sırası değil.
this word can also be used for meaningless conversations, or as a word spoken by a woman to a man. So when someone is talking complete nonsense, you can say,
Sığır sığır konuşma.
stop mooing like a cow. Talk sense.
Ya Mahir'cim ya. Bir adam gibi dinler misin beni? Edeceğim. Yok, onun kurtuluşu yok. Çocuk doğuyor artık. Evleneceğiz. Yapacak bir şey yok.
Now this is a powerful one.
Adam gibi.
This literally means like a man. But don't take it literally. This metaphor is generally used when one wants a person to do a job properly with high quality. But often, this request has not been made beforehand and requires implication. Doing a job properly can be thought of as giving a warning for the job to be done well. Check out this example. The boss has asked the employee to do a job, but the employee has failed to fully download a file on the computer. The boss says, do this job properly, like a man, in Turkish.
Patron, işini adam gibi yap.
See? It has nothing to do with gender. It just means do it right, do it seriously. And remember, women say this too. Spenny might say it to women. It's all about doing something properly. Like a responsible adult. So when someone's slacking off, just say,
Adam gibi yap.
do it properly.
Babam. Aferin oğlum diye mesaj
Ha,
göndermiş.
o zaten direkt sordu. Saklamam mümkün değildi.
Böyle nasıl sordu?
Ozan nasıl dedi?
All right, let's talk about
Direkt.
this means direct or directly, but it has some special uses in Turkish. As we mentioned in the previous video, the word
Direkt.
here also means immediately, instantly, straight away. In the video, when asked how she is, the woman states that she immediately mentioned this situation, her pregnancy. It is used in this sense in the video. Check out this example. He asks, "Did you go to the teacher and tell them about this incident?" She responds, "When the teacher asked me how this incident happened, I had to tell them directly. I'm sorry." See,
Direkt.
means she told them straight away. No beating around the bush. No games, no dancing around the topic. Just boom, direct. Turkish people use
Direkt.
all the time.
Direkt sor.
Ask directly.
Direkt söyle.
Just tell me.
Direkt git.
Go straight there. It's about being honest and straightforward. It's about being honest and straightforward. No politeness, no delay. Just get to the point. And that's it for today's lesson. Wow! We covered some serious street Turkish today. From
Kendini yıpratmak.
to,
Sığır sığır konuşmak.
from
Adam gibi.
to,
Direkt.
these are expressions you'll hear every day in Turkey. So here's my question for you. Which expression will you use first? Will you tell someone,
Direkt sor.
or maybe's
Sığır sığır konuşma.
drop a comment below and let me know. And listen, if this video helped you understand oral Turkish, the kind you won't find in textbooks, then your support means everything to me. Every like, every comment, every subscribe, it tells me you want more videos like this. So if you enjoyed learning Turkish from
Bir kadın bir erkek.
hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because next time, we're diving into another hilarious Turkish sitcom. Should it be?
Avrupa yakası. Muhteşem yüzyıl.
Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. And remember,
Adam gibi izleyin.
watch properly. Hoşça kalın.